Have you ever noticed how one scent can instantly shift how your body feels? Like your shoulders drop, your breath slows, and something inside you just goes, well, today we're talking about essential oil hacks for emotional support. Because sometimes one breath really can change everything. Welcome to the Sparkling Life Coach Podcast. Hello, Sparkling One, and welcome. I'm your host, Dee Diaz, an integrative nutrition health coach and essential oil wellness advocate. Quick reminder before we get started, if you missed episodes 1 through 3 of this Essential Oil Hacks mini-series, go back and catch them when you can. Each episode builds beautifully on the last, and I don't want you to miss anything that could truly support you. Now, today is one of my favorites. We're talking about the top essential oil hacks for emotional wellness. These are the tiny practices that create big shifts, the moments that help you breathe deeper, feel lighter, and reconnect with yourself, even on the busiest days. Tell me if I'm alone in this. Have you ever had one of those days where everything starts out fine, totally normal? You've got your tea, your planner, and your to-do list. You know, the whole I've got my life together vibe. And then you know what happens. Back-to-back curveballs start flying. An email, a schedule change. Someone needs something right now. Missing keys. You know the deal. Suddenly, your shoulders are creeping up towards your ears, your jaw is tight, and your brain is quietly whispering, "Abort mission." Sound familiar? And that's usually the moment I remember, oh yeah, I have an emotional support team. I reach for my adaptive calming blend. I place a drop in my hands, take a slow breath, and almost immediately I feel my body shift from panic mode to, okay, I can handle this. That's when I'm reminded essential oils aren't just pretty smells, they're emotional lifesavers. So today, I want to share 8 simple hacks with you. These aren't complicated routines or anything you need to do perfectly. They're small, intentional moments, the kind that help you come back to yourself when life feels out of control. Some of these are calming, some are energizing, and some are just really comforting. My invitation is to listen with curiosity and notice which ones feel like a yes for you. Did you know scent is one of the fastest ways to communicate with your nervous system? Which is why these little moments I'm going to share with you can create such big shifts. All right, let's start with hack number 1, the instant mood reset. This is one of the simplest because when emotions feel big, simple is everything, right? If you're overwhelmed or scattered, place a drop of adaptive calming blend in your palms. Rub them together, cup your hands, and inhale 3 slow, deep breaths. And then rub the back of your neck and your shoulders. What happens is your nervous system gets the message that you're safe. It's grounding, it's calming, and it works fast. Hack number 2 is the peppermint wake up. Now, let's talk about energy. If you've ever hit that afternoon slump, the one where your brain clocks out early and files for annual leave. Yeah, when that happens, peppermint is your girl. Just place a drop in your hands, inhale, and feel your whole system awaken and brighten. It's like giving your brain a tiny iced latte, but without the jitters. Hack number 3 is citrus for joy. When your mood feels heavy or cloudy, this is where citrus oils shine. Diffuse wild orange, lemon, or citrus bloom. Actually, any of the citrus oils are naturally uplifting. You really can't stay mad while smelling wild orange essential oil. I'm convinced it's emotionally impossible, but you give it a try next time you're feeling upset and let me know if it's true. Hack number 4 is frankincense for presents. Frankincense. Oh, this one? Your body already knows what it needs, and scent is the shortcut. Frankincense is the king of the essential oil world. A drop over your heart space or on the back of your neck helps you feel centered, supported, and present. It's perfect for prayer, meditation, journaling, or those moments when you're choosing peace over chaos. Hack number 5 is the I need a moment roller. Because isn't it true? Sometimes you need calm you can carry with you. This roller bottle blend is your portable, everything's going to be okay blend. And it's an easy do it yourself recipe. Into a roller bottle, you're going to add 10 drops of lavender, 10 drops of bergamot, and 5 drops of frankincense essential oils. Fill the rest with your favorite organic carrier oil. I love fractionated coconut oil. Then you're going to roll it on your wrists, over your heart space, or the back of your neck, whenever life feels a little extra. Hack number 6 is for rest and sleep support. So let's talk rest because emotional wellness needs sleep. If your brain likes to host late night meetings without your permission, try the Serenity Sleep System. It's going to become your best friend. It's a whole system, so you can diffuse the essential oil or make a mist to spray on your pillow. You can apply the Serenity Stick with valerian topically on your temples, the back of your neck, or wherever you feel tension. And you can take the Serenity Soft Gels internally before bed. Your nighttime routine just became a bedtime treat. Hack number 7 is eucalyptus for release. When you need a deep cleansing breath, eucalyptus essential oil opens the chest, literally and emotionally. You can use it in the shower, on a washcloth, or in your diffuser. It creates that spa-like moment that helps you release tension and clear your head. And bonus tip, I love blending the Serenity Essential Oil and the Eucalyptus Essential Oil in my diffuser for a lovely, restful nighttime. And finally, hack number 8 is kindness to yourself. This one's a favorite. Place frankincense essential oil and lavender over your heart space. Take a slow, deep breath and say something kind to yourself. It's gentle, it's nurturing, and it's supportive. It's like raising your spirit and giving it a little hug. Here's the thing, Sparkling One. Our emotions need tools. They need support. They need compassion. And essential oils offer quick, gentle ways to reconnect with yourself right in the middle of real life. These small practices add up, and sometimes one deep inhale really is all it takes to shift your day. If today's episode gave you even one idea you want to try, make sure to hit follow or subscribe. Episode 5 is our final episode in this mini-series, and we're talking travel hacks and seasonal support. If you'd like to grab any of the essential oils mentioned today, you'll find my affiliate link in the description. Every purchase helps support the show, and I'm truly grateful. And of course, come join our free community, the Sparkling Life Holistic Health Hub. That's where we share practices, talk emotions, support one another, and sparkle together. Thank you for being here, Sparkling One. Take care of your heart take care of your emotions. And I'll see you in the next episode. Sparkle on, and don't forget to sprinkle a little sparkle everywhere you go. Ciao.
Hey Sparkle Squad, are you loving the Sparkling Life Coach podcast? Has the podcast ever inspired you, made you smile, or brought a little sparkle to your day? If so, we'd love your support to keep this passion project shining. You can help by subscribing, sharing with a friend, or, if you're able, clicking the link in the show notes to become a patron. Every little bit helps us spread positivity, holistic wellness, and vitality far and wide. By supporting the podcast, you're not just fueling our efforts, you're joining our mission to uplift, empower, and inspire others to live their best lives. Your generosity creates a ripple effect, helping us sprinkle a little sparkle on everyone who listens. Thank you for being an essential part of this vibrant community.